Alright, so to start out the morning, I'm exporting the Kroger grocery haul. That's what I'm doing now, and then I'm going to upload it. It is a little late. I actually slept in this morning. I always feel really guilty when I do that. Honestly, I slept till 10:45. I didn't get to bed till about 1 or so. And I always feel bad sleeping in, but I think it really made me feel better because I've been so sick with this cold and everything, and I just think I needed the extra sleep. So I slept in, and now I'm going to get a late start in the day, but it'll be good. So, yeah, but now I'm going to export this haul video, post it for you all to see, and then I'm going to just go have some breakfast and just get ready for the day. Maybe try to make a list of Christmas gift ideas or something. I don't know. I'll try to figure something out because I'm going Christmas shopping starting today. Like I said, when we go out of town, I'm going to do the stores up there, but the main goal today is to do, like, when we go out of town, I don't want to spend my time looking at stores that we have right here. So I want to hit up the stores that we already have, and then that day specifically, just go to the stores that they have, just not to waste time or anything. Because I don't know. I mean, shopping takes quite a bit of time. So, yeah, that's what the plan is for today. I'm going to try to write down some gift ideas maybe. Have some breakfast. I'll show you that. And, yeah, so that's what's going on right now. Okay, so for lunch, I just had egg salad on that Simple Truth bread. I know it's probably not the best thing ever, but I don't know, I just get sick of the same thing all the time. So I wanted to try to do something a little bit different. I had those Alexa fries with just salt and pepper, and it's not the healthiest, but this has always agreed with my stomach. So I just thought, I know it works, so let's just go with it, and I really enjoyed that. After lunch, I went over to Hobby Lobby. Now, if you are any family at all, like if you're watching, you're in my family, whether you're parents or like an aunt and uncle or cousins or anybody, you've got to skip this part because I bought some gifts and I don't want you all to see them. So please, please, please fast forward until I'll tell you the moment to fast forward to. Around for the 4-minute mark because I just don't want you to see what I bought. I want it to be a surprise, and I worked pretty hard to try to find these gifts. So please, please, please do not blow my cover and keep watching. So fast forward to 4 minutes, but the rest of you keep on watching. Obviously, I don't want you to miss what I got. So yeah, let's just go forward with that. All right, so Hobby Lobby. I'm getting this for my grandpa. It's $20, and it's not on sale, so I'm gonna use the 40% off coupon. So it'll be about $12. It comes with 3 sketchbooks and a drawing pad and all these other sketching things. I'm also going to get him all of these sketching kits. They're really cheap. They're 30% off, so that's a good deal. And then for, if I get it all synced up, for my cousin's wife, I'm getting her this paint set and these canvases. And these are 50% off. These aren't anything, I don't think. So that's a pretty good price for these items. They're already on sale, so that's a great deal. And yeah, I'm going to check out from here, and I don't know what I'm doing next, but I think I did pretty good here. At least I got someone done for Christmas. A lot more to do. Alright, so I just went from Hobby Lobby, and that totally is a couponer's dream what just happened. Like, I must have read the ad wrong or something, because I could have swore those Paint My Number sets were 30%, and she just told me they're 50% off, so, hey, I saved an extra 20% on those, so I really, really did well. I'm not driving. I know I've got quite a few of you who think I'm driving. I would never hold the camera or hold my phone and drive at the same time. That's actually illegal in Ohio to be using your phone while driving. So there's a fun fact if you didn't know that. So I spent about $36 at Hobby Lobby, but I got my cousin's wife, I got her gifts pretty much taken care of, and I've got my grandpa, I got a star on his. I still got more to get because all those things were so cheap. I just didn't expect it to bring up that cheap. That was good. And then I also, what else? That's about it. My driver actually has to take the cat to the vet, so yeah. I kind of put a damper on the plans, but you got to take care of the animals. So, yeah, that's what's going on for the rest of the day. So I'll try to vlog a little. Alright, so I've got really, really big news. I got a P.O. box. And I know that so many of you have asked me, hey, you're going to get a P.O. box? We can send you stuff. And so I can do giveaways and stuff. And I'm not, don't any obligations feel like you're supposed to send me anything. I don't expect you all to do that. I just know a lot of you have asked me if I had a P.O. box because you'd like to maybe send me a card or you'd like to, do stuff. And I have the access to do like giveaways and stuff like that. So that is why I went down today and got a P.O. box. So if any of you are interested, you do not have to. I want to preface that. I'm not asking you to. I just know so many of you have requested and wanted to, and I've told you I don't have the access to a P.O. box. But I do now. And my P.O. box, so, send it out to Ohio Valley Couponer, exactly as you see it. So the word Ohio and then space Valley space Couponer to P.O. Box 8294 in Zanesville, Ohio 43701. And I will have that in the description box. So if you're interested, again, you do not have to. But I've gotten quite a few of you recently said, do you have a P.O. box? We really want to send you a card, or someone even said they had a bunch of coupons they weren't even going to use. And this is going to also benefit you all because I'm going to try to start doing maybe some giveaways or things like that. So yeah, that's really, really exciting, and that will be coming up. So be on the lookout more for that. But that is the info to my P.O. box. But we really couldn't think of anything else for dinner, and I really like this meal a lot. Like, it's so good. I just had some white rice, which on the list that the nutritionist gave me, I don't remember. I think she said 2 to 3 times a week, or maybe it was less than that. I don't know, but we really didn't have anything else tonight. So we just did white rice, grilled chicken breast, cheese, sour cream, and then finely chopped sauteed peppers and onions. And I had some Simple Truth organic gluten-free tortilla chips, which I thought was not bad. This seems to agree with me. I've had this a couple different times now, and it's always agreed with me. So just a quick and easy dinner, and it was really, really, really good. So I love that dinner so much, and yeah. Alright, so now I'm doing my take-home accounting test. It's 33 questions. This is my managerial accounting test, and it's not a final. It's our final quiz, but it's not our final, it's not a final exam. So it's not comprehensive over every chapter. It's just over 3 chapters. So I'm going to do that now, and I'll let you know how it goes. But it's online, so that should make it a lot easier. Alright, so I finished my test with an 87%. So I'm pretty happy with that. I mean, it's not like, it's a little disappointing, but I'm happy with it out of all this. An 87% to me is pretty good. And now I'm all done with this class, so yay, just one more test to go on Monday. Alright, so we're just going to wrap up Vlogmas tonight. December 7th? Today was took a bad turn, honestly. Not for me, but I know a lot of you probably will think it's crazy. But I said earlier how our cat was acting, and you actually just saw him in the grocery haul. And even in the vlog yesterday. I mean, he was in the picture. He was all happy yesterday, and laying on the table, and just, playing and eating and really happy. But last night, we noticed he had diarrhea, and we just know something wasn't right with him, and he acted really, really weird. So we called the vet here, and my mom actually took him in, and they tried treating him, but then he got even worse tonight. So my mom called back into the vet, and they said you should probably take him out to Columbus. So they ended up going up to Columbus tonight with the cat, and actually we don't really have the update yet because I didn't go with them, so I'm still waiting on an answer back on what's going on. So it's like you can never catch a break. But yeah, so that's what happened, and we didn't go to any other stores. Like I said, I did go. I went to Hobby Lobby. I went over to the P.O. box, or I went and got a P.O. box at the post office. The post office here is actually in the mall, which is kind of weird. I mean, we have a couple different ones, but the main one of the little is like a little post office, not the main one. It's a tiny post office, but they have P.O. boxes, so that's in the mall. So we went and got a P.O. box, and I ran in a store in the mall and grabbed a gift for my grandma. And then I just came home because there really wasn't anything else I could do. Like, we were out of time. We had to take him to the vet. So yeah, but now they took him to Columbus because the vet here is closed. They took him to Columbus, and hopefully they find an answer. and we know what's wrong. Like, hopefully it's nothing serious. It's just what I'm praying. It's like, at this point, with my diagnosis, and he already has diabetes, so it's not like he already has diabetes, so he's already sickly, which adds a whole new level of fear. So, yeah, that's what happened tonight. So I just thought I'd keep you updated. I know it's a shorter vlog again, but tonight's kind of sucked now. But I talked to a friend on the phone again. That was nice. Always nice to catch up with old friends. So we did that. And then, like I said, I was on the phone with my friend, and then my mom came in and said they had to take him up to Columbus. And I said, do you need me to go? She said, no, your dad's going to go with me, so you don't have to go. But it's so hard to sit around and just wait. Like, you don't know what's going on. And it's scary. So, yeah, his name's Noah. And if any of you believe in praying for animals, which I'm totally all for that, absolutely. But I know some people are not too crazy about that. But if any of you pray for animals, pray for him, because clearly something's not right with him. But it could just be a virus or something. But we always want to stay on the side of caution with anything medical. So they suggested take him up to Columbus, and so that's what they did tonight. So we should be finding out an update soon, though, and everything. So yeah, just pray that all goes well. Tomorrow, hopefully everything goes as scheduled. I was planning on doing Christmas shopping, but with the cat being sick and everything, and with the Christmas party tomorrow and having to prepare food for that, I'm probably not going to do Christmas shopping tomorrow, which is alright. I'm going on Christmas break. I've got plenty of time to get it done. And I got a good start today with all that stuff you saw from Hobby Lobby. So yeah, I've got a really good start, and I'll just keep going, right? That's all I can do. So we're good. I have Christmas break and plenty of time to do Christmas shopping. Tomorrow I got the Christmas party, and I just decided I'm going to figure out some alternatives to bring. Like, I know they're all eating, like, sandwich. Someone told me they're having sandwiches, so I'm going to try to do a sandwich. I haven't had any lunch meat, but they do have a Simple Truth organic. I'll make sure to eat the organic lunch meat. I don't think it should cause me a problem if it's organic. I wouldn't think, but we're going to think about that. On Simple Truth organic bread, and I got some organic mayonnaise and stuff, and organic cheese. I've got so much organic stuff. And yeah, so that's what we're gonna do. That's how we're gonna do it. And then I don't know, I'll figure out some sides. We actually made some brownies. That should be a really good thing to have. We made some brownies, so hopefully that all goes well. And yeah, I'll take those. Are good. I've had those a couple times. It's not messed me up. They're out of that Maker's Diet book, and they're really good. So I will take some of those, and I'll probably find some sort of side dish to take with me, and that'll be really, really awesome. So that's the plan for tomorrow. I mean, I'm trying to think. I don't know if we're going to do anything else or not. I'll just have to see what's kind of on the agenda for tomorrow. So, yeah, that is all I have for now. So sorry this is such a short vlog today, but keeping it real, right? This is what happened. Hopefully the P.O. Box thing, some of you are excited about that, because I know quite a few of you have asked for a while, are you ever going to get a P.O. Box? So I got a P.O. Box, and that's going to open a lot of doors for you all, because I really would like, maybe once I get 10,000 subscribers, we'll do a giveaway for like a Kroger gift card or something. Give me suggestions. What are some giveaway items? Would you like a Kroger gift card? I think that'd be the main reason most of you are here is for Kroger stuff. So maybe I'll do a Kroger gift card or something to that degree, to whoever would win or something. So we will definitely see about that. Maybe. I don't know. No guarantees. I'm just kind of brainstorming. So, yeah, that's all I got for tonight, and I hope you enjoyed the vlog. It still was a good day with the P.O. Box. That was the main highlight of the day for you all, hopefully. And, yeah, that's all I got for now, and I will vlog tomorrow as well, and thank you so much for watching.